Alright, so today I'm working on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. It's 4-door, as you can see, this little sedan. Here's what I've got. I've got the door panel apart. I've got the glass vacuumed out. This is what it looks like behind the door panel. When you go to install the window, what you're going to be trying to catch is this little part right here. I'm not really sure if you can see this. Let me get a light on it. That right there, you're going to catch it. You catch the window on both sides, and then there's an Allen wrench that's going to tighten it down. Here we go. There it is. Let's hope we got the right one. See if they got the company name on here. Well, it came from South El Monte, California. So far we don't, but I would like to share with you the name of where we're getting the glass. We can do so we can get some paperwork on it. Boom. The glass was provided by Lily Auto Glass. Found it on Google. It fits a 2011 to 2018 Volkswagen Jetta. Sedan passenger right front door window glass. Cost with shipping and tax was $83.41. Well, it definitely looks right. There's a lot of tape, and boy, is there some bubble wrap. Let's get to it. She's a beauty. There it is. Boom. Let's see if we can't land it in here without breaking it. There I was, looking for tools. So while I'm putting the glass in, I actually hear some glass in the track, and that's not a good thing. It's in the front. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in there and we are going to try to remove whatever that is. That sound that grinds, you don't want to install the window with that in there. Definitely want to make sure you don't hear that grinding noise. And out come these little chunks of glass. I did this once before, I thought I got it all, but you know, when you can't see it and you're working Braille, you really need to listen for it when you go to install the glass. All right, let's give it a shot. Boom, it's going right in. Things are looking good. Dropping. All right. So what I've done is I have left the jam side to where I could see it. So I can put that side in first. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it with the Allen key. Boom, here's what I'm using, this little tool right here. And then I'm gonna lower the window where the speaker hole mounts. And we're gonna go ahead and tighten that side. And what I meant to say was where the speaker mounts, it has a mounting hole. But thanks for listening. All right, felt tight. Here we go, down with the window. I've of course left the key on and prepared to just let it drop. I'm gonna go up to make sure it's recessed. You want to make sure that it's down in there. So of course move it back up so that if you move it down, it doesn't come out. Be like that. You want to move it up so that it grabs the window, and then you're ready to go ahead and tighten it down. Where it helps to have those surgeon hands. Got to get into those places. I enjoy working with power tools, but this is the one time that it's got to be a hand tool. Yes, sir. How you doing, Mr. Steelman?
Never been better. How about yourself?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yes. What do you got going there?
Do we have these?
Check the conference room?
No.
Conference room.
I knew you would know.
Small light bulbs is what it'll be labeled as.
Conference rooms
Small
on the
light
table?
bulb. Not in the back where they've been storing the kegs, the coffee cold kegs.
Thank you.
You got it, sir.
Knew you would know.
Yeah, lo and behold, here at the Subculture Group, we had an individual who's one of our cooks have his window busted, unfortunately. And that's how this project started. Good old volunteer Brian jumped out there as a rock star volunteer to jump out there and try to put this window together for one of our individuals who prepares meals for others. You never mess with the cook. But we're gonna get it fixed up for him. Go back to being the family man, doing the things that they need to do. I think we're about getting there. Seems like it's getting tight. All right, let's give the old test. What we're doing, we're listening for the grind. I don't hear it. I think we're in good shape. Under 15 minutes, you can install one of these windows if you've already got the panel off. Not too bad. If you're new at it and you're just going to take the panel off and you're going to do the window, you're probably looking at about a total of 30 minutes, not including vacuuming the glass. That can take some time. Probably took me about a half hour, 45 minutes to vacuum out all the glass so that the door wouldn't rattle when you open and close it. There it is. Hope you enjoy watching. 2014 Volkswagen Jetta from a Rockstar volunteer.